Good morning, class 9 students. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies, staying at home, and the audios, the PDFs, the videos that all the teachers are providing you, they are quite helping you and enabling you to complete your syllabus, to do your preparations. Okay, so for the same, I have come up with this audio version to discuss the chapter that we recently read, Sound of Music, part 1 of Sound of Music about Evelyn Glennie. Today I am going to discuss the question answers of this chapter with you guys. Come on to the page number 20 of your NCERT book, textbook, thinking about the text. First question. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. How old was Evelyn when she went to Royal Academy of Music? Evelyn was just 17 years old teenager when she went to the Royal Academy of Music. When was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Her deafness was first noticed at the age of 8 when she was waiting for her name to be called to perform into the program. It was confirmed later when she had deteriorated her marks completely and her headmistress has asked her to visit to an ear specialist, and that ear specialist confirmed it that it was a result of gradual nerve damage. Is it clear? Okay. Next question, guys. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? 30 to 40 words. You have to answer this question in 30 to 40 words. Everybody discouraged her whenever she tried to play any instrument or she tried to pursue her passion of music. But Ron Forbes, a famous percussionist, spotted the potential inside her. He understood the thirst that she was having for music, and he helped her to continue with her music. He simply started playing two drums, one bigger and one small, one big and small. He simply started playing two drums, one big and one small, and asked Evelyn not to listen the sound but to feel it, but to feel the bigger drum by her waist up part of body and lower drum by her waist low part of her body. Clear? Understood? Next question. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Evelyn had a very hectic schedule. Flying from one country to another country in different of concerts and in solo performance, and various of orchestras. But along with it, she also gave ample time to social work, and she performed at hospitals, prisons. She also gave classes to young children. Okay. Last question, third part, and question number 1 is, how does Evelyn hear music? And you have to answer it in detail, 100 to 150 words. Okay. Evelyn was not deaf from the birth, but due to a gradual nerve damage, she has lost her sense of hearing. But she did not abate her passion of music. Everybody discouraged her whenever she tried to play any instrument. But later, a famous percussionist, Ron Forbes, held him, and he trained her, held her, and he trained her to feel the music with different part of her body. Initially, he started with playing 2 drums, one big and one small, and asked her to sense it, feel the music, feel the sound, feel the difference between pitch, the upper pitch with her waist up part of body and lower pitch with her waist down part of her body. This held Evelyn a lot, and she practiced hard, and her body was now adapted. She made her body adapted to feel the music, different kind of notes, different kind of pitches from different part of her body. She says that the music enters her body through her hair, through her skin. She says that whenever she has to play xylophone, she listens the music, she feels the music passing from xylophone to stick and then from stick to her body. Whenever she performs on the stage, she removes off her slippers so that she can feel the vibrations, she can feel the music passing through her feet. Okay. So by this way, Evelyn has developed her whole part of body to be sensitive to different kind of music, and she listens them more perfectly than anyone can hear it. She feels more perfectly than anyone can hear it. Students, this was a long answer. You have to write in 100 or 150 words. So we shall think all the points that can be included into the answer and then arrange them chronologically and then jot down our expressions onto the copy. Okay? I think you can start this answer like this also. It is only asking about how does Evelyn hear music. So we can start it like this, that Evelyn hears music. Evelyn does not hear music, but she feels it. She feels the different notes, different pitches of the music by different part of her body. Ron Forbes has trained her that way that she could understand the high pitch from her waist up body and low pitch from her waist down body parts. In fact, the music pours in Evelyn through her every part of her body. It pours in through her hairs, it tingles her skin, it tingles her goosebumps, etc. Whenever she plays xylophone, the music passes from xylophone to stick and then stick to her fingers. She removes her sleepers to let the music pass through her feet wherever she performs at the stages. Okay, so like this, you can write down the answer. You can also add that she does not hear, but she has learned to open her mind and body to different type of sound and vibrations, okay, which help her to feel the music better than anyone can hear it. Okay, I hope you understood everything. And now your assignment is to complete the exercises of this chapter and give a close reading of the lessons so that you can remember every point. You also have to think about what were her achievements. One question I want to give you by myself, and that question would be: discuss the achievements made by Evelyn Glennie in detail. Discuss the achievements made by Evelyn Glennie in detail. Okay, till then, goodbye.